Okay, welcome back to Team Technical, Team Sales. I'm Ken Toon from the Aerospike EMEA technical team. And with the points tied, here is your continental European round. All the questions in this round relate to the TIPS instant payment service developed by the Central Bank of Italy on behalf of the European Central Bank. Without spoiling the surprise too much, this service just happens to run on the Aerospike database platform. On with the show. Question 1. In 2022, what frighteningly large percentage of European customers stated that they still had no access to an instant payment service? Is it A, 12%, B, a shocking 35%, C, an infinitesimal 1%, or D, a still quite shocking 22%? Andrzej Jasnikowski.
I'm going to go with D, 22%.
The correct answer is indeed D, 22%, 5 points. Astonishing to think in this day and age that 1 in 5 people in Europe still have to wait 24 hours for electronic money transfer. Truly shocking. Question 2. Which prominent wine growing area in the Lazio region of Italy is also home to Aerospike customer Banca d'Italia, the Central Bank of Italy? Is it, wait for it, Martin James, A, Tuscany, B, Frascati, C, Lombardy, D, Piedmont? Naresh Maharaj.
Lombardy.
Martin James.
I would go for Frascati.
The correct answer is Frascati, as you know. A wine that is typically light, dry, and acidic, good with starters, fish courses, and of course, cheese. Sorry, we digress. Question 3. What is the maximum time it takes to transfer money between any 2 points in the European Union if using the Aerospike-powered TIPS instant payment service? Is it A, 10 seconds, B, 10 minutes, C, 10 hours, or D, 10 working days between the hours of 10 a.m. and 4 p.m.? Birad.
Is it 10 seconds?
Well done. The correct answer is B, 10 seconds. Dan, you were runner-up. In part, due to the exceptional latency characteristics of the Aerospike database. Incredibly impressive. I'm sure you'll all agree. Just nod your heads politely. Question 4 of 3. How much does it cost per transaction to use the Aerospike-based TIPS instant payment service? Is it A, 20 euros, B, 20 euro cents, C, listen for it, 20% of a euro cent, or D, 20% of the overall transaction cost? Dan Trigwell.
You confused me with some maths in there at the end, but I'm going to go for...
Don't play for time.
Go for C.
You'll go for C. Well done. The answer is indeed C. 20% or 1/5 of euro cent, in part due to the exceptional total cost of ownership characteristics of the Aerospike database. Final question, number 5 of 3. What percentage uptime is offered by the Aerospike database powering TIPS at Banca d'Italia? Is it A, 99%, B, 95%, C, 100%, or D, a football-inspired 110%? Dave Johnson.
I'll go with the 400%, please, sir.
The full 100% is the right answer, and that's a full 5 points I'm giving to you. The deployment there will even allow for an entire data center outage. Thank you for playing, and at the end of that, you've all scored an impressive 25 points. Well done. If you enjoyed these questions, you will love www.aerospike.com. Thank you for playing.